In today's video, we're going to be discussing the Mackenzie Childs 2023 holiday collection. Let's get into it.
I wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip.
Before I start this video, I just want to make it very clear that there may be some pieces that I'll be sharing here that I'm not truly fond of, or that they just haven't made my heart sing. Please don't take offense to it, because you know what? There's been pieces that I say, oh my gosh, it just doesn't do anything for me. And a year later, they're sitting in my house. Because during the course of the year, I've seen them maybe displayed or shared in different ways. And I'm like, oh yeah, I didn't know this can be used like that. And then I end up falling in love with them. We're just here to have fun. Let's get into this video. I want to start off with this piece. It's one of my favorites. I love everything about it. First, it's got the checks, of course. I love that. But it's not only that, it's the flowers, the arrangement. It's so beautiful. It's classy and it's fun. And then you've got this one that, I don't know, it just does not, I don't know. I don't get that Mackenzie Childs feel with this one. I mean, it's a beautiful piece. It just wouldn't be for me. I don't find it that it's so Mackenzie Childs as we know it. This piece over here, I love. It screams holidays. You've got Santa, you've got the snowman, you've got the beautiful checks, and you've got the gifts, the wreath in the front. It's so detailed, so pretty. Now this other one, I don't like the way that it's painted, so I can't say that I love this one. This one I wouldn't be buying. Now this is a holiday tree ornament or Christmas tree ornament, and if you're doing your tree in pink, it would be absolutely perfect. But it doesn't, I don't know, it doesn't make me want to go spend $70, $80 on it. This is another piece that I love. This is a lantern. I love everything about it. It's got that two-tone paint. It also has a touch of Mackenzie Childs in the bottom where it's not overpowering, but it's just elegant. It's classy and yet fun. And this fits 3 nice sized candles that you can use year round. Now this over here, you know, I wouldn't be spending money on this. For me, I'm not going to be spending money on this. It has a little bit of squares in the bottom. That's about it. It doesn't really do anything for me. And if I'm going to pay Mackenzie Childs money, I need to see it. I love the reindeer, I love the gold, and I love the little Mackenzie Childs touch on it. I just think that for the price they are, you could probably get these Hobby Lobby, get a little bit of ribbon and put it on. I know, don't kill me guys, I love Mackenzie Childs, but some of the things I have to be totally honest with you guys. Now these ornaments are pretty. It's not something that I would get for myself, but just remember, we're having fun here, guys. That red doesn't look really red to me. It almost looks like orangey. And then these other ones, what the heck is that? There's nothing about Mackenzie Childs there that I can see. Do you see it? If you do, leave me a comment below. Now these two pieces, the only thing that's Mackenzie Childs on it is a few little squares on their feet, and that's it, and you can barely see that. Few teeny tiny little balls, that's all there is that says Mackenzie Childs. These ornaments here, they scream Mackenzie Childs. I love the different textures. I love the silvers, the golds, the stripes, the harlequin. I mean, it's just stunning. Love, love, love these. And even though they're bold, you've got that ribbon and the gold that gives it that very, very soft touch. Which ones of these are your favorites? These ornament stands are perfection, so beautiful on their own, and then to display one of your favorite ornaments is just stunning. I think I could have some of these all over my house. These are beautiful too, but I have to say that my least favorite is the one in the middle. These are pretty too, but I would say that the only one I'd probably purchase, and that's a big question mark, would be the bicycle. These 3 here are beautiful. I love the stars and I love the snowman. I have to get those stars. Love that. Now, the piece on the right, I didn't know what it was until I actually read it. Even though it's pretty and it has a lot of that Mackenzie Childs touch, if I didn't know right off the bat what the actual decoration was, then for me, it really doesn't deserve my Mackenzie Childs dollars. It's a beautiful piece. It's not for me. The gingerbread collection is one of my favorite. I love the neutral colors. It has that touch of Mackenzie Childs, but to me, it is so important that it has the farmhouse, all the decorations. It screams Christmas without having the reds, the greens, and that bold Christmas colors as we know it. And the way they've blended everything together with the trees and everything, it's stunning. This collection is equally as beautiful. I love the whites and the soft touches of gold. It'll complement absolutely any home decor. It's very soft and classy. These 3 globes are on my bucket list. I love everything about it. First one has that beautiful fringe around the bottom. It's so Mackenzie Childs. And of course the kettle. It's just so pretty the way that it's just all set up and put together. And of course the Mackenzie Childs farmhouse. The wreaths this year, I'm not really feeling it. I almost forgot these snow globes. They are so pretty, especially the white one. Would you get any of these? If so, which one would it be? Leave me a comment and let me know. I do love their Christmas tree collection. It is so pretty, especially for me, the tree on the right is just phenomenal. I just want to take a second here to remind all my viewers that have not subscribed. If you're enjoying this video, haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please consider doing so. Thank you so much. Okay, here I want to play a little game. I've posted these 4 pieces. They look a lot alike, but 2 of them I absolutely love and 2 of them I do not. So I need you to pause this video, leave me a comment, and which ones do you think I love? Would it be 1, 2, 3, or 4? And please tell me which ones you like and which ones you like the least. I want to make sure to add these 3 beauties. I think that Mackenzie Childs' tree collection has really grown. I have 2 words to describe these. Absolutely perfect. These are absolutely wish list for me. I love them. They're so beautiful. I love the red and the black and white. I love them all. I do put up 3 trees during the holidays. I guess I'll just have to put up 1 more. I don't know how hubby would feel about that. I love that Mackenzie Childs has brought out the plaids in so many ways this year. I love it. It's just so beautiful, so vibrant, and so Christmassy. I mean, for me, I love plaid year round, so this is just a bonus for me, and I love it. Well done, Mackenzie Childs. And last but definitely not least, I love these 2 tea towels. Nobody does tea towels like Mackenzie Childs in my opinion, and these 2 pillows are definitely on my bucket list. Now I can go on and on and on and make this video hours long, but I'm not gonna do that. But I hope you enjoyed it or my thoughts on these products with you. I had a lot of fun with this video, guys, and if you enjoyed it and like these types of videos, please let me know because I would love to do another one like this. Not necessarily just of, holiday collections, but even with different collections, current collections that they have ongoing and different pieces. Let me know if you enjoy this type of stuff. I'd love to kind of throw in one of these videos once in a while. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please come back and visit me, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so by hitting the subscribe button below and hitting the bell to be notified when I upload. So for now, take care of each other, be kind, and always remember that you want to reach a point in your life when you say, remember when and never ever I wish I did. I'll see you next time, my friends.